Do you ever crave a dessert yet don't want to spend hours on making it? Well, today, that's over, because today we're going to be making 5 desserts that have only 3 ingredients. First up, we have caramel fudge. To start, we will melt 8 ounces of butter. To that, we will add 1 cup peanut butter. Mix together and melt in the microwave for 1 minute. To thicken our fudge, we will slowly incorporate 3.5 cups of confectionery sugar and mix together. In a baking container lined with parchment paper, we will add our fudge. Press down until it's about a ½ inch thick and then refrigerate for 2 hours. For our second recipe, we'll be making Reeses Cups. Start by finely chopping 1 cup of chocolate into small pieces. You can use milk chocolate or dark chocolate, it's up to your preference. In a large mixing bowl, add a ½ cup of peanut butter. To that, we will add 3 tablespoons of confectionery sugar. If you like fancy recipes simplified, then now would be a great time to subscribe in order not to miss out on all other great recipes coming out now. We are going to now melt our chocolate using the double boiler method. So to a large pot, we will fill up halfway with water over medium heat. On top, we will add a heat-resistant bowl and we will add our chocolate and let it melt, consistently stirring it. Line a cupcake tin with paper molds and start making our layers. On bottom, we got some melted chocolate, followed by a dollop of our peanut butter mixture and covered by some more chocolate. Refrigerate for 2 hours and enjoy! Next up, we got some delicious sugar cookies. To a large bowl, we will add 1 stick plus 2 tablespoons of butter. Then we will add a 1/3 cup of sugar and whisk to combine. Once combined, we will add 1 cup of flour and mix that together again. Grab a baking tray and line with parchment paper. Roll out your cookie dough to 1-inch balls and place on your cookie tray. Press down gently on the top to make a circle. Optionally, if you'd like to add sprinkles, now would be the perfect time to do so. We will then bake for 15 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Enjoy! Next up, today, we will be making a chocolate cake. And yes, this chocolate cake has only 3 ingredients. To start, separate 28 Oreos. Put the cookies in a bag and the filling in a bowl for later. Once you have separated 28 Oreos, get out a rolling pin and start crushing them as fine as you can. Alternatively, you can use a food processor. They all get the job done. Once completely crushed, empty out into a mixing bowl. To that, we will add 1 teaspoon of baking powder to help form our cake. Followed up by 1 cup of whole milk. Whisk together until homogeneous. Now get your Oreo filling from before and add it back to the bowl and mix together. Then line a microwave-safe tin with parchment paper and spray the sides with oil and pour your mixture in. Microwave for 6 minutes and enjoy. If you like these recipes, comment below what your favorite recipe is so far. For our last recipe, we'll be making a delicious creme brulee. So to start, we are going to add 2 cups of vanilla ice cream to a bowl. Give that a good whisk, then melt in the microwave. In a different bowl, we are going to separate 4 eggs, discarding the whites and putting the yolks in our melted ice cream. Then whisk together until smooth. Fill 4 oven-safe ramekins with our creme brulee mixture. We are going to be baking them in a water bath, so get an oven-safe dish and fill about halfway with boiling hot water. Bake them for 35 to 45 minutes at 325 degrees. For our sugar top, we are going to spread 1 tablespoon of sugar over top. You can either use a blowtorch or stick it in the broiler for a minute to caramelize. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.